Hi, I'm Joko. I'm one of the members who created this project called WORKHIVE. WORKHIVE promotes task organization, user cooperation, and team productivity. So let's start with the login page. Here you can input your email and your password. For now, let's start off with sign up. So to sign up, you have to enter your name, your email, and the password you want. The password must contain numbers, uppercase letters, and at least one special character, and it should be 8 characters long or more. And as you can see, there is a feature that lets you see the password that you have typed. Now, let's sign up. Okay, now there is a function where if you forget your password, you can click here, and as you can see, it will request your email address. So let's type the email address we input last time. Okay, so let's send. And now, WORKHIVE will send a 6-digit code in your email address. Here in this screenshot, you can see the email that has the 6-digit code in it. Okay, so the code is 881253. Okay, verify. And here you can enter your new password. Okay, so let's type the new password. Let's type Janea at 123. And here you can see Janea at 123. Let's copy it and paste it to confirm password. Okay, and let's save it. Okay, for the next part of our project, I will show you the admin part of our project. This is the admin account. So here is the design of our dashboard. Here you can see the total users, which is 4, the pending task, the finished task, and the total projects. Also, you can see the events, which is our birthdays. The birthdays can be edited at the profile edit, and I will show you that later on. And here is the calendar, the project progress, and the project summary. Also, here you can see the project sidebar is interactive and responsive. Now, let's go to the profile edits. Here in the profile edits, you can see the name, the position, the birth date, the number, email, and the address of the user. Also, you can edit. You can edit the profile. Here I will input my brother's picture. Let's confirm. Okay, there you can see the picture of my brother at every picture box. Now, let's edit the personal information. Here you can edit the personal informations, first name, last name, middle name, the extension name if you have, contact number, email, the sex, blood type, and birthday. And also you can input your complete address. And with the proof of magic, boom, the profile edit is complete. Here you can see the birthday, the cell phone number, the email, and the address. Now, let us proceed to the reset password. Here you can see the current password, new password, and confirm your password. Also, there is a one-time code. If you press the send button, it will inform you the one-time code in your email address. Now, let's see what message it does. Let's click it. Oh, it's coming soon. For the reason that we didn't have the time to implement a database in it. But now let us proceed to users. Here you can see the member card and the admin card. The member card being the Janea one, which is orange, yellow, and gray, and the admin one is the black, yellow, and orange. Here you can see the 4 members of the account. And that is all for the users. Now for the projects. But before we proceed to that, here you can see a refresh button, which is a feature of our project. It is seen in the dashboard, the projects, and the tasks. Now let's go to projects. Here in the admin account, you can add new projects. For example, project name. Let's go with project, no, iTech 103. Okay, for our project name, and our instructor, excuse me, is Johnny. There. The projects also has a design template, which has these options: yellow bee, blue ocean, cyan sky, red autumn, and pink passion. So, let's choose blue ocean. If we press proceed, it will automatically let you go to the task menu. However, let's go to the project menu first. So, the summary. If you press the button, you can see the task progress, all tasks, pending task, archive, and finish task. Okay, and if you press the task button, it will automatically bring you to the task menu. So, the task menu, here it is. And you can see the sample task, which is called Kalahati, and it is not assigned to any projects. Let's assign it to iTech 103. Press submit, and yeah, edit task complete. Here you can see it is now connected to iTech 103. Also, you can see the statuses here. Here, the done status is not connected to anything, so let's assign it to iTech 1032. And the archive one, the archive sample, is not assigned, so let's assign it to iTech 103. Another feature of the project is the details. Here you can see the project name, task name, date started, due date, description, and the status, which is ongoing here. Okay? And another feature, which I don't know if you already saw, but the icon is ever changing. If it's finished, the icon is checked, and if it's archived, the icon is locked. Let us now proceed to the add new task, which is another function of the admin account. For example, let's make the task name iTech assignment. Let's assign it to iTech 103. Let's assign the deadline and the task description. What task description? Let's give a code that writes hello world. Okay, let's type it. And yan. Submit. Task added. Here you can see the task added to the task menu. I take assignment 1, the details. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Also, at the bottom of the task card, you can see the date where it was started and the deadline, which is June 7. Furthermore, the task added will be notified at your email address, as you can see in the screen. Also, you can see in project summary of iTech 103 the task progress and all of the tasks, which is 4, because we assigned it there previously. There you can see the finished, the pending task, the finished task, and the archived. And the task progress, you can only see the pending task and the finished task. It is also seen in the dashboard. If you scroll the project progress, you can see the project summary of the iTech 103 there. At the project summary, you can see the task here and the project name here, which is all iTech 103, and the deadline. Now let us proceed to the calendar menu. Here you can see the assigned task that we created previously, and if we go back, we can see the other assigned task that was created by default. For example, here is the message menu and the about us menu. Here you can see the theme and what is WORKHIVE about and why is it so special. And that is all for the admin account. Let's now go to the members account. Okay, let's use our created account that we inputted previously at the start of the video. Let's input it, and the password, and here is the password, Jamea at 123, and let's sign in. And here is the overall design of the dashboard and the members account. It is color orange, while the admin is color gray. So the dashboard is the same as the dashboard of the admin account. The project is the same, but the difference is there are no add projects. Also, the summary is here. The task, it still puts you to the task menu. And yeah, the function is really the same. It's just that the admin account has the add task and the members account doesn't. Okay, the calendar is the same, the message is the same, and the about us is the same. For the profile edit, here you can see that overall the design is practically similar to the admin account. Change password and the messages. Another feature of the task, before I forgot, is the details and the edit status. Not edit task, unlike the admin account and the members account, it is edit status. Here you can edit the status of your task, which is ongoing, finish, and archive. And if you noticed, the iTech assignment 1 is now assigned to finished. And it also updates in the dashboard and the projects. Let us now assign it to archive. If we set it to archive, it will not be seen at the task progress as you will see right now. Here, I mean project progress. You can see that iTech 103 is 0%, unlike before it is 33%. This happens because the task is now set to archive. And that is all for our final project, WORKHIVE. Thank you for listening to our tutorial.